Okay, I just stumbled upon something really cool. Did you know there's a Docker image specifically for Android development?
Wait, seriously? That's wild. So you're telling me I can run Android emulators in a Docker container?
Exactly. It's called Docker Android, and you can even emulate different devices like a Samsung Galaxy S10 or a Nexus.
That's impressive. I mean, think about it, having all those device profiles at your fingertips. No more device clutter.
And get this. It even supports VNC to visualize what's happening inside the container. Like you can actually see the emulator in action.
Oh, wow. So it's like having a mini Android lab without the hassle of physical devices everywhere.
Totally. Plus, it has features for log sharing and command control from outside the container using ADB. Mind-blowing, right?
That's super useful for testing. I can see it being a game changer for CI/CD pipelines and app development.
Exactly, and it can run unit tests with frameworks like Appium or Espresso. It really covers all bases.
I love that. So, how do we get started with it? Is it complicated?
Not at all. If you're on Ubuntu, you just install Docker and run a simple command to get the container up.
That feels so accessible. What about people using Windows or Mac? Do they have to jump through hoops?
A bit. They need a virtual machine set up for Ubuntu since the Docker image runs best there. But it's still doable.
Got it. And what about data persistence? Without that, it sounds risky.
Good pick. By default, the emulator data gets wiped on a restart, but you can mount a volume to save it.
That's a clever workaround. It's like having a backup plan on standby.
Right. And on Windows 11, there's even hardware acceleration support in WSL2. Talk about performance.
Wow, that's really getting into the modern age of development. I can imagine the speed boost.
And it gets crazier. There's a pro version that unlocks features like proxy setup and running multiple simulators.
No way. That sounds like a perfect solution for teams needing flexibility. What else do they offer?
They're even planning to support Google Play Store integration in the future. Imagine that convenience.
This just keeps getting better. It's like a full-on mobile development station in a box.
Exactly. The possibilities are endless. It's not just for developers, even testers can jump in.
Thinking about it, integrating with cloud platforms like AWS or GCP must open up even more doors.
Right? Deploying on cloud looks like a breeze with it. You can test anywhere.
That's seriously deep tech. Makes me reevaluate how we view mobile development environments.
For sure. It's a revolutionary way to approach development and testing. I can't wait to try it.
Same here. I'm curious if it'll really speed up our testing cycles. The potential is mind-boggling.
And think about how collaborative it is. Sharing logs and access through the web UI is next level.
Oh, that's a great point. It could drastically improve team communication during testing.
This feels like a major shift in how we'll handle Android projects. Are there any downsides?
Just the usual Docker learning curve, I guess. But that's a small price for such a robust tool.
Yeah, and with all the documentation available, I think it's manageable.
So what do you think the big takeaway is? Is this the future of Android development?
I think it's a huge step toward streamlining development. We might be looking at a paradigm shift.
Absolutely. I'm eager to see how this evolves. It's exciting for developers and the whole tech scene.
And it all started with using Docker for emulating devices. Who would have thought?
Seriously, this is a reminder of how important innovation is in our field.
So are we going to dive into Docker Android this weekend?
Definitely. I've got to see this in action. It's too intriguing to pass up.
This might just change everything we know about mobile development.
Right? I can't help but wonder what other surprises are in store for developers.
Well, here's to exploring. Let's keep each other posted on what we discover.
Absolutely. Learning together is the best part of this journey.